Hello, Digital Tech Buzz, new product in. This time we got some earbuds in from Soundpeats, which have got ANC, full touch and 30 hours playtime. So just a quick first look at unboxing, and they're the T2. So if you have any questions, drop them below whilst we check them out. Sound for urban sports, and that's pretty much it there, as you can see. So let's open them up and see what they look like. And it's a simple enough affair here. So you have the black box inside. Pop them open here, customer care, and you have all their social media up on the top there and the site. That's a nice card. And in here we have got the buds and the cables. So let's have a look in here. So you get your USB-C cable here to USB-A, which is good. You also get your extra tips in there, which is nice. And let's have a look at the case itself. So pretty familiar size case, LEDs up front, Soundpeats on the front as well. And let's have a look at the actual buds, and you have got a sticker on them there, so we'll take them off. So that's for stuff to connect them to a charging point inside. So that's it in there, and that's what the earbud looks like up front. And you can see the branding there, and you got your left branding there, connection points and so on. So they look pretty nice indeed. A little bit on the big side, you're edging towards the Jabra kind of side here, or Edifier when it comes to size, but they are fine. And charging LEDs come up there, and that's pretty much it. Left and right marked on that, and I don't see any lights coming on there, but they do look like lights. It could be mics. And that's pretty much it there. So let's see how they are inside. So they do have the lights there, you can see them pop on there now. Pretty solid enough, and that's it. So any questions, hit us up, techbuzzorland.com, leave a question below, ask us what you need to know, but we'll have a full review later on, how they sound and so on, how they work. We'll show you how they function like any other earbuds we do here. And that is the Soundpeats T2 true wireless earbuds. Stay tuned to techbuzzorland.com and bring you the biggest range of true wireless earbuds in Ireland and honest reviews. Talk to you in the next one.